Hi friends, do you want to view the Linux partition in your dual boot Windows 10 PC? Actually, if you, as you seen here, currently my PC is dual boot with the Linux, Kali Linux, okay. But if you, as you seen here, my PC is showing only one drive, okay. But in my PC I have Linux partition also, and it's a hidden, okay. So if you go for the device management, right click on the start menu and select the option disk management, okay. Just select the option disk management, so it will be open the disk management. If you see in the disk management, it say your Linux drive is there, but it's not showing, and no any drive letter is assigned, okay. Okay, as you seen here, I have the drive partition, okay, and it's a not any drive letter is assigned for this my Linux PC. That's why it's not showing. Okay, so what you have to be do, you have to be go for the site ext2fsd.com, okay, and they have very nice software for this reading the extension. Means actually the file system used by the Linux is extends ext2, ext3 and ext4. Okay, go to this link and now download the software provided by them. You just need to be download this one. Yeah, it's a ext2 file system driver for Windows, and it will work for both for Windows 7, Windows 8 PC, and even for Windows XP. That's a working for all the Windows operating system. Just you have to be download this one. Okay, after download you have to be just extract this file. And you need to be installed with the Run as administrator. Click on yes to start. Okay, and just click next to start this setup wizard. I'm just showing this setup wizard because we needed to see one option here. Okay, click on next, then next. Okay, these options are important. Make sure these are selected. Your means when it's a PC will boot, it's automatically selected. This option you have to select. That's why I'm showing this setup wizard in this video. Okay, after that you, as you seen here, you by default this option is selected. Make this selected and click on the finish. Most of the time there is no need of any need to be changes, and you when you restart that will becomes your driver later. Okay, but in some cases it's not coming. As you seen here, it's showing the file extension, but it's not drive letter is not showing. Okay, as you seen here, if I open this one, still it's not showing to me. Okay, but in most cases it's showing. So if it's not showing, so you have to go for the tools and then after service management option. Okay, and you have to be choose these options, you know, that's shown here. Okay, and you have to just click on the apply to just make this changes affect. Most of the time you don't need this one, but if it's not showing to you, you have to be apply this one. As you seen here, still it's not showing me my drive letter, so just right click here and select the option change drive letter. Okay, and from here you have to be add your drive letter. From here, from the upper menu, you have to just add your drive letter, so that will be shown to you. Okay, if it is the first time it's not selecting, so you have to do again for this showing. Okay, and left as it is, and now click on the OK to show this one. Now click on done. As you seen here, now it's drive letter is choosing. Okay, so and if it's not working, just restart your PC. Okay, and after restart you will get the drive letter. Okay, as you seen here, now I have the drive letter. Okay, and if still your drive is not showing, so then go for the edit management. Okay, and you have to be choose these options, make mount as a disk. Okay, and even you can choose your other drive letter here, but you have to select the other option, always start in the mount point, and then after click on the apply. Okay, and then click on the OK. Now it's choosing your drive letter. You have to just refresh or either restart your PC. In my cases I just restart to check this one. Okay, after restart, when you open, as you seen here, now your drive letter is coming. Okay, so if you open this one, as you seen here, now you have the all the file structures like bin, boot, dev, etc, home, lib, and libx, mean all the file system media, each and everything that's a file system used by the Linux. Okay, now it's a visible here. It means you can easily find this all the file system options here. Okay, so this one is the first method that you did. Okay, and other one is also one software is other software is there. It's a called ext2read. Okay, extension to read. Okay, this is the also software that is used for the same purpose. Okay, if one is not you are not going to feasible with one, so try this one also. Okay, you have to just go for the source fork and you have to search this site, this software ex2 extension to read. Okay, then after download this software. Okay, and I already downloaded. Now I'm just going to show you how you can do this one. Okay, after this, just extract these files, just extract this software. Okay, and then after, what you have to do after extraction, you have to just run as administrator. Okay, and as you seen here, now it's okay, so just run as administrator. And if you find any problem, so run with the compatibility option. As you seen here, now it is showing my drive. Okay, and now I have the all means I'm able to view the all the files extension that's are in my drive. Okay, as you seen here, now you are able to view all the files that, but view is different in compared to our ext2 explorer. Okay, but you are able to view your drives later from also this extension to explorer. Okay, so if you compare with old, if you compare with this PC, okay, so extension to explorer is the better, it's looking better because it's showing your drive later instead of showing the only view of that files. Okay, now you have option to see all the file formats. Okay, but it's also in read only mode, you are not able to do anything here. So hope you like my videos, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.